SmartDraw makes creating accurate floor plans, electrical plans, plumbing drawings, landscapes, and other scaled drawings for construction accessible to anyone. Comply with OSHA safety standards and create data-backed construction proposals using your own product catalog. Then keep your entire project on track with SmartDraw. No CAD expertise or training required. Design precise residential and commercial spaces with intuitive tools and none of the traditional CAD complexity. Draw rooms and walls that snap into place, resize just by typing, and drag and drop industry standard fixtures and symbols. Get accuracy without the learning curve. If you already have an existing floor plan, bring it in as a PDF or image, scale it easily, and build your new design or proposal on top of it. Save time by only drawing what you need from scratch when creating bids, planning for renovations, and documenting existing conditions. SmartDraw has all the symbols you need for any plan, including doors, windows, furniture, kitchen and bathroom fixtures, lighting, cabinets, office furniture, warehouse equipment, wiring, plumbing, HVAC, security systems, plants, landscape elements, and more. Easily search thousands of ready-made symbols and just drag and drop to add them to your plans. With SmartDraw, you can truly customize your plan using your own product catalog. Import symbols, apply scale, and add shape data. SmartDraw makes it easy to standardize proposals across teams and projects. Avoid unprofessional, inconsistent plans that lead to misunderstandings and change orders. Turn a floor plan into structured information by adding shape data to any symbol. Add SKU, cost, model, vendor, notes, and more. Generate a manifest to get counts of specific fixtures for estimating, purchasing, and handoffs. Document existing conditions easily by importing a floor plan or site map and add notes and annotations. You can also brainstorm and organize your project's deliverables using a mind map. Then, when you're ready, you can convert that plan into a project chart in a single click. Track the progress of tasks quickly and easily, and keep everyone in the loop about critical deliverables. See what tasks are related and who is working on what all at a glance. SmartDraw makes it easy to create OSHA-compliant floor plans that prioritize life safety and clearly communicate hazards, evacuation plans, and required safety equipment. You don't need CAD training to make a clear, scaled plan for safety audits, training, and ongoing facility management. Create detailed electrical plans easily to provide a technical blueprint for your project. Add electrical information to your floor plans using layers to keep everything separate. Drag and drop key components with industry standard symbols for switches, outlets, fixtures, and service panels. Add complexity easily and only show information you need to the right audience. Add relevant plumbing layout information to your project using professional plumbing drawings. SmartDraw makes it easy to draw pipes and add industry standard symbols like water valves, water heaters, water pumps, and more. Easily coordinate and communicate with the outside landscaping team using accurate landscape plans. Make sure any proposal accounts for both the building and the surrounding site that includes plants, irrigation overlays, hardscapes, and staging areas. SmartDraw allows you to import photos to add real-world context to any design. Teams can place site photos directly on a floor plan to document existing conditions, installation constraints, and safety issues exactly where they occur. This helps estimators validate assumptions, supports clear communication with owners and subcontractors, and reduces surprises during construction. SmartDraw makes collaboration easy. Share your diagram with anyone with a link, even if they don't own a copy of SmartDraw. And you can export your plans as professional, clean PDFs and other image formats for printing.